Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Nur Siti Kamaria Jibu, NIM 4424200027, Chemistry A. Well, here I will describe Module 4 about sulfur modification. Literature review. Sulfur is widely available in nature as an element as hydrogen sulfide and belerang dioxide. In sulfide are metals and a sulfate and so no. Sulfur has a strong for catalyst and from compound without analogous with oxygen. Element sulfur as the cathode material is natural, abundant, environmental friendly, and cost effective. Tools and material. Tools: porcelain cup, test tube, stirring rod, measuring glass, pumpkin survey, test tube survey, watch glass, clamp and stative, test tube rack, drop pipette, chemical glass, analytic planche, hot plate, sour carbonate. Tools and material. General material: tap water, aqua desk, copper chip, tissue, washing soap, sucrose, ethanol, distilled water, filter paper. Specific material: acetic acid, sulfuric acid, potassium chromate. Discussion: modification of sulfur. First modification: sulfur exists in crystal form depending on temperature. In this experiment, sulfur melts because of the nature of the sulfur itself. It will melt if it is above the heating temperature of 1956 derajat Celsius. After freezing, prismatic needles are formed, namely monoclinic sulfur or also called beta sulfur. The beta sulfur molecular needle consists of an S-egg ring, which is an octahedral crystal. The second modification, the sulfur powder becomes a brown-yellow liquid because the string S-egg broken. If the temperature continues to be raised, the liquid will become viscous and the color will turn darker because the string S-egg breaks and forms a shine. Characteristic of sulfuric acid. The first step is to heat a piece of copper with 1 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid. When heated, the solution boils. From the result of observation, gas bubbles formed. Copper is insoluble in acid, but can dissolve in sulfuric acid to form copper sulfate and sulfur dioxide. Sulfuric acid creates weak copper requires hot, concentrated sulfuric acid, and this reaction produces sulfur dioxide. This happens because hot concentrated sulfuric acid acts as an oxidizing agent. In the reaction that occurs in the above equation produces sulfur dioxide gas from the reaction between copper and concentrated sulfuric acid, characterized by the presence of gas bubbles. The second observation was that the gas bubble produced were tested by placing filter paper moistened with potassium chromate above the mouth of the test tube. After a while, the filter paper turns into a whitish brown color. This is caused by the presence of belerang dioxide gas produced from the reaction of copper and sulfuric acid. This belerang dioxide gas then reacts with potassium chromate, which is marked by a green color and the filter paper, if it is done for a while. However, the result we obtained were with this brown filter paper. The reaction that occurs is the third observation, the nature of sulfuric acid as a dehydrating agent is reacting sucrosa with concentrated sulfuric acid. From this experiment, sucrosa is black. The equation for the reaction that occurs. It can be seen that sulfuric acid decomposes sucrosa or separates hydrogen and oxygen from the sugar. Concentrated sulfuric acid is a strong dehydrating agent. Dehydration is the release of water molecule from a material that is attracted by a material such as sulfuric acid. The presence of carbon produced from this reaction can be seen by the formation of a black color in the mixture when added with concentrated sulfuric acid. The fourth observation, the nature of sulfuric acid as a catalyst in the formation of ester is reacting 2 ml of acetic acid, 2 ml of alcohol, and 2 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid, then heated. Before heating, the tubing will feel hot. This is due to the reaction between sulfuric acid and acetic acid and alcohol. Then it is heated to produce air bubbles. The reaction can be written into the equation. From the above equation, it can be seen that the reaction is an esterification reaction, where a carboxyl acid is reacted with an alcohol with an acid catalyst to produce an ester and a water molecule. Here is can also be seen that sulfuric acid acts as a catalyst in the esterification process, and the experimental results obtained are that it smells like a candy, which indicates that the reaction is an ester. Conclusion: sulfur can be modified, which is called an allotrope. The result of the modification are rhombic SA. The crystal from obtained is affected by temperature, while sulfuric acid has properties as an oxidizing agent, dehydrating agent, drying agent, as a catalyst in the formation of ester. Thank you.